what could we do better as we move forward? So what do you think, Jim, when you think, I wish they wouldn't do that, or I wish we could do that together?
As we see our products go from rare and ultra rare diseases to more prevalent diseases, the cost of goods is going to be a big deal. And that's going to make or break some of these programs. So things that drive the cost down, our cost down, the drugs cost down, is going to be very important. And it seems that the polystyrene is an area that shows better cost efficiencies, better cost savings than the glass. I think maybe trying to move that forward would be a good thing. The suppliers of those materials to the industry, to our industry, are limited at the moment. So I think there's opportunity there to do something. I would like to see it because I'd like options to what we're doing now.
We're simultaneously thinking about how can we adjust the breeding pipeline to enable us to bring some of these technologies online. But the more that our partners can bring automation and technology that allows us to scale up, the more work I think we're going to be able to do in this space. And if we could increase the number of plants that we're able to genotype, that would be huge for us. And maybe it would be kind of a win-win that we could find by just working more closely together to understand, well, where are the pinch points and sort of are there inefficiencies in the way that we're working together that we could figure out a way to cut out of the system.
What about, are there any other big trends you see? There might not be technologies or anything else, but any major shifts you've seen in the way that you're working with suppliers?
We are hearing more and more about how DNA sequencing costs are going down. It's often talked about as the Moore's law of DNA sequencing, where costs go down and capacity is going up. It would be really exciting to work with LGC and understand what is that going to mean a few years down the road, and what might that enable for the type of work that we do here at Driscoll's breeding berries, because our population sizes are enormous. And so being able to apply some of these tools to those large volumes is, I think the big challenge over the next 5 years. And I'm hoping that changes in technology will help us get there, and that, technology experts in the field like LGC will kind of pave the way and let us know what's possible.